Hey y'all, guess who's back? This time, I'm on it, sis. I'm on it. You hear me? You hear me? Hey y'all. So this is just gonna be like my foundation routine or whatever. It's not gonna be like no eyeshadow, whatever like that. I don't want to get into all of that. So, well, that's what I started off with, like eyeshadow looks. So, but I never really told y'all like my base, and it has changed. And today I'm gonna try to look something different because I feel like I got in darker, and the foundation that I bought is looking a little yellow on me, like in my last video. I don't know. So first, I'm going the foundation I'm gonna use, y'all. She a little thick, like Jackie. She a little thick. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face, and I'm using the Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Aloe, and it helps nurses dry skin and problem skin. Oh, I should have put that everywhere, but you know, we can fix it. It's like summertime. My skin is really weird. Like, I have dry patches, and then I have oily spots. So I guess that's combination skin. But my oily spots get real oily, and my dry spots get real dry. So, and my dry spots usually is like my forehead. Well, like certain places in my forehead. This is oily. This is just my nose. This is oily, and oily. But I have dry spots right here, right here. Some parts of my cheeks are dry, so we just fixing it more. And then I'm scared to put powder on with this foundation, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just taking my little bucket. I put some Aquaphor. I use this for my tattoos, but I started like using it on my lips, and it's good, girl. She expensive though. Okay. So, if you feel like my eyebrows touching when I put on my foundation, it's gonna get fixed. So, speaking of foundation, so the foundation I'm gonna be using is the Urban Decay All Nighter in the shade 9.75. To me, like, it go on nice, but it oxidizes and it gets yellow, like orangish, yellowish, you know, sis. So I'm gonna be mixing that with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade 355 Coconut. This is like really dark for me. It tends to run red. So I have golden undertones. You can't see it right, the lighting, the golden, you see it. So I'm gonna be mixing this with that. So the yellow, it should balance, cause this get real yellow, which I'm not that yellow, but this get red, so it should like come in between and be cute. So I'm gonna take a pump, and then I didn't get nothing to scoop this out with, so I'm gonna have to like, oh bitch, you fuck the back of this Bible and mix it together. I'm drawing already. And to blend it, I'm using the e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. This you'll have your face looking flawless. Yeah, look, let me see in the mirror, cause this, just put it everywhere. Come gotta work fast with it, cause it'll dry on your ass now. Looks more like me. Like moi. Yeah. Gonna Continue blending. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild concealer and show you this medium tawny. Medium tawny. I'm gonna put some specs. This is too bright for every day, sis. Okay. I'm gonna use Ruby Kisses CNC concealer, and I'm gonna use this shade Rich Beige. And this concealer kind of banger though. This is a bunch of random lashes. I bought that little lash case off Amazon, and it just helps to like keep them order so I don't lose them. Hello, birthday hoe! Look at this, her birthday!
You put me on Snap. Hey, you doing makeup?
Yeah, I'm recording my next video.
Oh, hey.
Say hey! Oh, he keep calling. Say hey! It's her birthday! Okay, guys, so my camera went off. I just set everything. I have frown lines, so I just put extra concealer right there, set it. My mustache, set it. I took my, and I set it with Laura Miercer mixed with Sacha Buttercup, and then yeah. And I took my Covergirl Queen Ebony Bronzer, Ebony Bronzer, and I took my large powder brush by Jessica, this brush, and I just dabbed it on there, went like that, and then worked it up so it could like warm up my face. Took in contour my nose when the button went up here, and I haven't done this down here yet, so show you how I work it. So I do it. So now I bronze. I'm going to contour. It's the difference now. It's the levels. It's the levels. Okay. I'm gonna take the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour palette, and I'm gonna take the medium in this shade, and I'm gonna mix it for the first little layer, and then do the same. And I have some setting powder right here so it could be neat. And then I'm taking a dark color by itself and concentrating it like right in here so it could be like depth. I'm going circular motion so I don't create that weird like that's two. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take my Fix Plus by MAC. And it's not, I hate when people say setting spray. It's not. Okay? It's the fix. All this fucking powder and shit. So you're gonna just, you know, spray the fuck out your face with it. Let's get ready. Good enough. And then you just gonna pat everything onto your skin, Fenty. So then it look kind of out of this thing, you know what I'm saying? You don't look like you just left the donut shop looking powdery. Things really done. So I'm gonna take this and before I do my mascara and highlighter and all that, and just set the base. It says NYX. It's mixed with, I mix NYX matte finishing setting spray. Cause my skin is oily as fuck. I mix that with the Scandinavia setting spray, the oil-free control one. And then my bottle broke on my Scandinavia, so I just put it in here. So that's that. I'm gonna take my Super Soft Cheek by ColourPop. By ColourPop. This real golden, mine's a little broken. And taking this large fluff brush from Jessica, and I'm just gonna place it you know, you already see it. Y'all keep seeing it. I need to see it. So now for the star of the show. Yeah, the star. I'm taking my Maybelline Masterchrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. It's in the color 100 Molten Golden. So I'm gonna take that. Not too much though. She shine. Right like a diamond. Oh, I know what I like. Yo, it's really been a struggle. I've been using this crown brush. It don't have no name. I think it's just a bronzing brush. And then again, I got it from that subscription. And I like doing this. So now I'm going to take the Fix Plus again. Right? I don't really have to do anything. Take that. And then I'm going to take... Oh, here goes the bottle, y'all. My Scandinavia bottle. But like, pump broke. So that's why I put it in here. And then take the Scandinavia stuff and swirl over it again. My boyfriend. If y'all hear my phone ringing, that is my boyfriend, and he's not respecting that I'm trying to record because he wants to talk to me so bad. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with another video as soon as this one hits 30 views. I did 25 last time. I'm going for 30, and I'm gonna keep building it up. So I know y'all probably like 30 views, that ain't shit. But when you just starting off, that's a lot, sis. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ooh, what the heck? Who am I? Bitch, I ain't even... Girl. Now you know this boy, I'm tripping. Who am I? Without that bra, like... Subscribe button down near. I think it's down near or down. It's at the bottom. It's a red button. You hit that like, subscribe, comment, share, and keep watching me. Be faithful.